last class we have discussed about discrete series and we have completed all the methods to find the arithmetic mean. This class we are going to discuss about continuous series. As we all know, individual series is known as ungrouped data and discrete and continuous series is known as grouped data. So continuous series is written like this. It is also divided into two parts. One is inclusive series and the other one is exclusive series. So we have to always solve all the problems by exclusive series only. When if the question is given in inclusive series, then we have to convert the inclusive series into exclusive one, and after that we can solve the problem. So let us start the class. I have taken one question here. This is an exclusive series question. Here, the range of the data is given because we all know, we have already discussed in our previous class that continuous series is within a range. This is called the lower range and this is the upper range. So within a range, we have the continuous series. So this is the question we have taken here, like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. This is the class and this is the frequency is given for the class. 3, 5, 4, 8, 2. As we have already discussed that 0 to 9.99 we can consider here, not 10. Here we can consider 10 and 10 to 19.99 we can consider. Like here only we can consider 20 here, not here, because this upper limit, upper range of the series is excluded in an exclusive series. So we have taken the question, class and frequency. Let us solve the arithmetic mean for direct method. So as we all know, for direct method, how we are going to calculate x bar? X bar for continuous series is equal to sigma of fm divided by n. n equal to sigma of f. So this is the formula for direct method. Okay. So what we need to do here? What is f? As we all know, continuous series is between two limits. So it is from 0 to 10. So which value we need to take? In that case, we have to find the middle value of the 0 and 10. Between 0 and 10. So actually what we are doing here, we are converting this continuous series into a discrete one. Let us see what we have to do. First we need to find n. What is n? n is the middle value. n is the middle value of these two. So how we are going to do? We have to do 0 plus 10 divided by 2, that is called 5. Like this, 10 plus 20 is 30, 30 divided by 2 is 15. Here 20 plus 30 is 50, 50 divided by 2 is 25. Here the same, it is 70, 70 divided by 2 is 30, 90 divided by 2 is 55. So see what we have done here. Let us remove this part. So what we need to do? This is the frequency. The frequency as it is, we have to write 4, 8 and If we see here, we have taken within the class 0 to 10, we have taken the middle value here. So what we have done, forget this table. Now see this. If we see this is our x. For time being, consider this is x. How the series is looking like? This series is looking like a discrete series. So we have converted the continuous series into a discrete one, and the same way what formula we are using for discrete series, we can use the same formula to find for continuous series. Let us see how we are doing. Now this is our middle value. So what do we need to do? First we need to find the sigma of f. So what is sigma of f? When we go on adding this value, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 14 plus 5 is 19, 19 plus 3 is 22. So sigma n equal to sigma of f equal to 22. So what is our value? We need to find f into n. So another one column we have to add here, that is f into n. So 5 into 3, that is called 15. 15 into 5 is 75. 25 into 4 is 100. 35 into 8. 35 into 8 is 250. Then 45 into 2 is 90. How we are going to calculate sigma of f? We go on adding all the values to find sigma of equal to, if we add all the values, then we get 560 here. Let us put all the values to the formula. So xy equal to sigma of fn is 560 divided by 22. So how much it is coming? If we see it is coming 25.45. The answer is 25.45. So in case of continuous series, what we need to do? First, we need to find the middle value of the graph. Then we have to multiply with the frequency to find the sigma of fn. Then we have to add our frequency. We have to add our frequency to find sigma of f, which is equal to m. So we have converted the continuous series into a discrete series, and just where we are using x, we are using n in the place of x. So all the formula we are going to use x in place, n in place of x. So next formula, this is for direct method. Next we are going to discuss about shortcut method. In case of shortcut method, what we normally do? In case of shortcut method, we normally assume one value from the series. Now, forget about continuous series. Our series is, this is a discrete one. M and F. We take these two columns and we find our shortcut method. Okay. For the shortcut method, I am writing the formula. Formula for shortcut method, x bar equal to a plus sigma of 50 divided by 10. A is our assumed mean. So what we need to do, this table we need to do it. This is our n. Then we are writing the frequency here. N is our 5, then 15, 25, then this is 35, then 45. And the frequency is 3, 5, 4, 8. So what we need to do now, we have to assume one value from the 6. Let us assume the middlemost value. Always try to assume the middlemost value because it will make our calculation more easy. Better to assume always the middlemost value. You can assume any value actually from the series and the answer will come the right. But better to assume the middle value, so it will help to make the calculation easy. Now what do we need to do? We have to calculate the value of D. D is nothing but our deviation, that is x minus a. But here what do we need to write? Our x is n here. So we can write m minus a. We can write m minus a. So find the middle, the deviation. 5 minus 25 is minus 20. 15 minus 25 is minus 10. 25 minus 25 is 0. 35 minus 35 is 10. 45 minus 25 is 20. So, if we take the middlemost value, we can find the deviation like this. That's why it makes the calculation easy. Okay, what we need to do now, we have to find sigma FD to find sigma of FD. FD equal to FD first we need to find, then we can find the sigma FD here. So how we have to find FD? This is our D value, this is the frequency. We have to multiply it. 3 into minus 20 is minus 60. 5 into minus 10 is minus 50. 4 into 0 is 0. 8 into 10 is 50. Then this one is 40. Minus 60, minus 50, 0, 80 and 40. So sigma of FD, we have to first find sigma of FD. Sigma of FD, which is equal to 6, 5 is minus 1, 110 and this is coming 8 plus 4 is 120. So 120 minus 110, it will come 10. Assumed value, we know our assumed mean A. Now we know N also. N is nothing but the addition of our frequency sigma of F, that is called 22. Yes. Now we will put all the values to the formula. Put it x bar equal to 25 plus sigma of 50 is 10 divided by 22. So this is coming 25 plus 0.45, which is equal to 25.45. This is our answer. This is for shortcut method. This is for shortcut method. So remember the formula for shortcut method is this, and our answer is this. And our answer match with our previous answer, that is with the direct method 25.4. Let us go to the step deviation method. So we discuss step deviation method. The formula for step deviation method is x bar equal to a plus sigma of f d dash divided by n into c. As we all know, d dash equal to x minus a by c, which you can write here m minus a divided by c. We can write d dash here. We can write d dash equal to m minus a divided by c. In the previous case, for discrete series, we are writing x minus a divided by c. So, all the other things like c, n, we all know c is the common factor and n is our frequency, sigma f. So, now we can find f d dash. To find d dash, what do we need to write? This is our d dash. D dash equal to m minus a divided by c. So, d dash m minus a divided by c. We can see here, now we discuss step division method. The formula for step division method is x bar equal to a plus sigma of f d dash divided by n into c. So, what is d dash? D dash, as we all know, d dash equal to m minus a by c. In our previous for discrete series, we are writing x minus a divided by c. C is the common factor we all know, which can divisible by our division. We have to choose one value or one number which is easily divisible by all our division value. And n is the summation of the frequency. So put all the value now. What we need to do? We have to put all the values. We need to calculate d dash here. D dash equal to m minus a divided by c. So what is m minus a? M minus a is minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10, 20. So d dash equal to m minus a divided by c. We have to choose one value which can be easily, we can divide it with all the deviated values, deviation values. So here, if you see, 10 can be divided by each deviation. So take 10 and find the d dash. Minus 20 by 10. Minus 20 by 10 is minus. This is minus 1. This is 0. This one is 1. This one is 2. This method is the extension of our previous method only. So we are doing nothing. We are just choosing one value which we can divide by our deviation value to make the number small, so that calculation would be easy for us. So now we'll find FD dash here. FD. So what is FD dash? Just we multiply D dash with our F frequency. So 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. 4 into 0 is 0. 8 into 1 is 8. 2 into 2 is We can say 2 into 2 is 4. So what is sigma of FD dash? Sigma of FD dash equal to 8 plus 4 is 12. 6 plus 5 is 11. This is minus 11. This is plus 12. So when we go on adding, it will be 1. So C, we know C is, we have taken here C equal to 10 here, and we have divided with each division value. Now everything we know sigma of FD dash, we know N, we know C, and we know our assumed mean also. So put all the values to the formula now. So what do we need to do? X bar equal to 25 plus 1 divided by n is 22 here and into. So if you see, you get 25 plus 0.4. This total value will come 0.45, which is again equal to 25.1, which is our answer. So we have completed our 3 methods here. We have completed all the 3 methods to calculate our continuous series, the average for continuous series. We have taken direct method, shortcut method, and step deviation method. So in the next class, what we need to do, we'll take an inclusive series and we'll see how we can convert an inclusive series into an exclusive one, and we can solve the problem. So today we have completed the continuous series. All the 3 methods we have discussed. We have find the mean for continuous series, and we have taken an exclusive series here. We'll take one inclusive and we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you very much. Please like the videos and share with your friends. Do subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.